Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Thomson Long Distance Movers Near Me. 3 Movers is a firm that understands the moving process well. We all know how tedious can be and the methods that one can use to minimize the tension that comes with relocation. We understand that each move has its peculiarities and can very much adapt our services to meet the moving needs of a client without neglecting the moving needs of another client. Long relocations cover a distance of 50 miles and more, and they are very tedious to plan. We, however, can help you with them without any stress. Sometimes these relocations cut across state lines in a way or can fall within the state. To provide you and your properties with security, we leverage the relationship we have with the authorities in charge of the moving process. We also have insurance. Local relocations are less challenging to plan but still require tact and precision in planning. Our local moves are affordable, and we charge between $30 and $40 per hour for every move we undertake locally. We are the best in Thomson. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Thomson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.